So, a lot of people have been asking, what kind of exhaust do I have? Well, come on. Alright, so the setup on my car, performance-wise, it's just PRL intake, PRL catless downpipe. That's important because that's what makes it sound stupid. And it actually has an NVIDIA front pipe. It's not the best, but I got it for really cheap as well, so I just ran with it. And has an engine intercooler. Actually just has the stock charge pipes, so it is whatever. And it is on the PRL Flex Fuel kit, running K-tuner on TSP stage 2. And so the exhaust, it's not there because we're not running an exhaust. It's actually just straight up dumped after the front pipe, so it comes out somewhere around there. So that's why it sounds the way it is. And wouldn't do the same thing to that Type R. Okay, ready? This is like the 6th take. All right, we just took the exhaust off of this Type R here for comparison, because why not? Oh no. Anyways, let's keep going. So let's see what's done to the car first, because that's kind of to give context why it sounds like the way it is. And we got another riser falling up. All right, so this is what a muffler delete SI sounds like. Very rice. All right, so this car is quote unquote full bolt-ons. It's got the PRL intake, PRL catless downpipe, And the front pipe is actually an NVIDIA one that comes with the NVIDIA exhaust. It's also got the HKS intercooler with PRL charge pipes, because apparently that's like the best flowing setup proven by people, I believe.
It's actually PRL on both hot side and cold side.
Yes. So it's full PRL charge pipes with the HKS intercooler core.
Yep. People usually use the HKS on the hot side and then PRL on the cold side, but I modified my intercooler so that I can fit the entire PRL charge pipe on both hot side and cool side.
To flow better by tuners. I believe Red Star Motoring did the testing on that, so that's why this motherfucker went through the hassle. And it's also, this car is tuned on Honda by Derek Robinson from Innovative Motorworks. So yeah, it's E-tuned, so we don't know what it makes. Anyways, so that's what's done to the car. The main thing is it is catless, just like the Si. So we're gonna see how loud it is.
Oh, did they make the bumper come on?
Yeah.
Nice.
We drop it and slam it.
Alright, so now we're gonna start it. So do the honors. Jesus. Now it's kind of quiet now. The co-star was a little loud.
It's right underneath my One more. This vibrates. The hood vibrates.
Alright, so we're over here. Kind of do a few drive-by videos and just videos to show how this sounds compared to that.
That's like that's what that does. Because mine is actually pointing down. My downpipe.
Oh gosh, I'm scared.
The stretch is not long enough. That's the thing.
Jesus. Jesus.
On my second gear, it will hop and then there was no grip.
Yeah. I mean, this is not the best surface, but
Yeah.
jeez, dude, every time you redline the pop,
Yeah.
it's so freaking violent. So
No,
I can.
let's do it one more.
Oh gosh.
I'm enjoying it.
Oh, he's gonna like it. Oh no.
I'm just gonna turn my traction control on.
got it. Oh no.
This is too much.
I think it's just the right.
Fuck you.
Just drop me off like right there. At low RPMs, it sounds like it's like a diesel truck, a turbo diesel. That's how deep it is. How would you miss a gear?
We need to leave.
Yes, I know. There's people talking. let's go pick him up.
Voice that's crying. I thought it wasn't going in the gear. I was like, what's he doing?
When that second gear turns into neutral.
I'm like, Is that a diesel truck noise? Let's get that on video too. Why are we doing this at the apartment?
All right, so after going for a drive with this and that, both with open exhaust or no exhaust, just open front pipe, that is way louder. It's stupid. Like, this is gonna get you in trouble for sure. But yeah, do I recommend it? Fuck no.